Take a ride in the 2020 Ford Transit-250. The Transit-250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, passenger airbag on/off switch, passenger airbag, MP3 player, bucket seats, power windows, auxiliary audio input. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.